Hi everyone, I'm Pauline, aesthetic provider at Wave Plastic Surgery. Today we're diving into Morpheus 8. Some people swear by it, others say it's painful, some even claim that it can make you look older. So let's clear up the confusion. In this video, we'll break down whether Morpheus 8 actually ages your skin, how it compares to other skin tightening treatments, what you need to know about pain management, and how to prep for the best result. One of the biggest misconceptions out there is that Morpheus 8 can make you look older. The truth is, it doesn't. It actually stimulates new collagen production, which helps your skin appear more firm and youthful. So why do some people feel like they look older after the treatment? Just like with Botox and fillers, where improper injection techniques, incorrect volume, or placement in the wrong area can lead to a frozen or unnatural look. Morpheus 8 can cause fat loss in unintended areas, reducing volume where you don't want it. That's why it's crucial to go to an experienced provider who knows how to adjust the settings based on your facial structure and goals. So how does it compare to other options like Ultherapy, Thermage, and microneedling? Morpheus 8 uses microneedling combined with radiofrequency energy to stimulate deep collagen production. Ultherapy, on the other hand, uses ultrasound energy to lift and tighten the skin, but doesn't improve the skin texture the way Morpheus 8 does. Thermage uses radiofrequency to tighten the skin, but it doesn't go as deep as Morpheus 8 or as accurately as Ultherapy. Microneedling helps with texture and collagen, but without radiofrequency, it's less effective for tightening. If you're looking for both skin tightening and texture improvement, Morpheus 8 is the better choice. But every skin type is different, so consultations are key to finding the right treatment for you. Lastly, let's talk about pain. I see some people on social media describing this to be incredibly painful, but it's important to remember that pain is subjective. So yes, it can be uncomfortable for some, but it depends on your pain tolerance and how it's managed. Good thing is that here at Wave, because we are a plastic surgery practice with a team of board-certified surgeons, we are able to offer a wide range of options to make the experience more tolerable. Let's say on a scale of 1 to 10, your pain tolerance level is around 8 to 10, meaning you handle pain exceptionally well. Numbing cream and some painkiller applied 45 to 60 minutes before the treatment should be sufficient. If you're pretty good at tolerating pain around 6 to 8, a Toradol injection would be enough to make the treatment smooth and comfortable for you. If you're pretty average or a bit nervous about pain, let's say around 4 to 6 on the scale, we can offer you Demerol shot in combination with topical numbing cream. In my experience, this should make the pain easily manageable for most patients. However, if you truly want to avoid any kind of pain altogether, it's okay, we understand. We can provide IV sedation to make it pretty much painless for you. Now, this might require a doctor's presence and a longer prep time, so keep that in mind as well. To get the best results, it's important to prepare your skin before the treatment. Stop using retinoids or exfoliating acids at least 5 days before. Avoid sun exposure. No sunburns or tans before your session. If you're prone to hyperpigmentation, a skin brightening regimen may be recommended beforehand. After your treatment, you'll have some redness and swelling for a few days. To help your skin heal faster, stick to gentle skincare. Use hydrating serums like hyaluronic acid. Always wear sunscreen. This is non-negotiable. Finally, avoid intense workouts and heat exposure for 48 hours. Results take time. You'll start noticing changes in about 6 weeks, and full results developing over 6 months. So let's recap. Morpheus 8 does not age your skin. Yes, it can be a little uncomfortable, but with the right pain management, it's totally manageable. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more expert skincare tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!